Aadu Attipathal. Ingredients: mutton, parboiled and white rice dough, garam masala powder, salt, coconut oil, turmeric powder, red chili powder, pepper powder, large onions chopped, garlic, ginger, green chili, curry leaves. Method of preparation: heat some coconut oil. Next, add garlic, finely chopped ginger, split green chili, and some curry leaves. Stir. Into this, add chopped onion. Stir well. Add salt. You may now add powdered turmeric, red chili, pepper powder and garam masala. Stir well and add the chopped pieces of boneless mutton. Saute well. Now turn off the flame and prepare the rice dough. For making the rice dough, soak both the parboiled and white rice for 2 hours and then grind them by adding small amount of water. Take a ball of rice dough and flatten it out like a disc on an oiled piece of plantain leaf. Make 2 more like that. Turn on the flame of the mutton preparation. Take out some and place it on the rice dough disc. Sandwich it with the other. Now, on top of this, spread out some more of the mutton preparation. Now sandwich this with the third rice dough disc. Seal the edges with the dough and place a piece of plantain leaf on the top. You may now steam the whole thing. Aadu Attipathal is now ready for a try. Before serving, cut it into convenient pieces.